And now we are going to do this Azure AD joined demonstration on the same device. For that also, so this AD registration, Azure AD registration happened automatically when user trying to sign into the Office application. But for Azure AD join, you have to go to the certain settings and you have to manually do it. And so for this, for that, first search with account, manage your account, go there, access work or school account, then click the connect button to add the machine to the Azure AD domain. Just click the account. Once you click the account, it will prompt you to enter the credential, and instead of clicking these things, you have to select the below option, join this device to Azure Active Directory. You can use this place to add your device to local Active Directory as well. But for Azure Active Directory, you have to choose this option. Just click that. Then it will take you to the sign in page. Again, you have to enter your credential. And the important thing is the user should be allowed to uh, join their devices to Azure AD. So there is a settings available in the portal, so that we need to enable. If it is not enabled, it won't happen. Okay, so that is also we have to make sure that option is enabled. So now I'm just entering the credential. So the moment I complete the credential, it will asking me to confirm is that okay to join the device to this organization. It is showing clearly this is a domain, this device is going to be joined, and this is a username, and this user going to have a administrator privilege on this device. So I'm just gonna click join. So let's wait for 1 minute. Now it's completed. Now it is showing the device is connected to MG M6G7. This is my tenant name actually. So when you're ready to use this new account, so now you can see here our device is joined to Azure AD. Since the device is joined to the Azure AD, by using this device, we can able to log in using our Azure AD account. So that is what they have mentioned here. Here you can find the switch user option. So once you click the switch user option, you have to enter your username and password, then you will be logged in with your Azure AD account. So this is all about the Azure AD joined, how you have to do from the end user device. Okay, so now this is done. So to verify from the portal, if I refresh here, you can see here the same device with the same version. Now it is showing Azure AD joined. Okay, so you can see the timing also 9:45, before a 1 minute ago it has happened. So this is the difference between Azure AD registration and Azure AD domain join on the user experience perspective and administration perspective. Like in the backend, it happened so many things, but we don't need to worry about that. So in the visible differences, we have to make sure how Azure AD registration happened, how Azure AD join happened, right? So to, as I said, this Azure AD join also we can verify either from this all devices place or from the end user devices. Again, from the end user devices, you will be having two options. One is from command prompt and another one is from UI, that is managed accounts. Okay, so let me first close this and reopen this, then only it will reflect the current status of the device. Okay, I'm just opening it again. Now I'm gonna run the same command again, dsregcmd. Now you can see you'll be finding extra options like Azure AD join it. Now it is showing yes, because we joined this device to Azure AD, so it is showing yes. And since this device is not a domain join, it's showing no, and it is showing additional information about the device detail with respect to Azure. And you can see here the device is now not workplace join, means the device is not Azure AD registered. Okay, this Azure AD PRTs and all they are, right? So this we usually this will be generated once we log in with our username and password as a login uh, account from here. Right now we have used our local account, so that's the reason it is not, the PRT is not generated. So this PRT is used for the SSO state. Okay, and if you coming scroll down, you can be seeing here, is the device is joined? Yes, because now the device is Azure AD joined. That's the reason showing yes, and it's just verifying whether this user is Azure AD joined, Azure AD or not, because the account what we are using is not the Azure account, we are using the local account. So that's the reason it is showing no. If you are using any Azure account, then this result would be showing S. Okay, so we usually use this command prompt to troubleshoot domain joined issues and SSO related issues. So this is the one place we have to check from the end user devices whether the device is Azure AD joined or Azure AD registered or hybrid joined. Okay, so now if I go to this client place, client machine itself, there is one more option you can find. Again you have to type account, go to manage your account and go to access work or school. Now you can see the difference. So that's the reason I told you guys to remember the page. Now you can see the suitcase box, so meaning that the device is joined to Azure AD. Okay, so if you wanted to remove this device from Azure AD, you can disconnect from here, but once you click the disconnect, it will ask you to enter local administrator account username and password. So now you guys clear about this, right? How the Azure AD registration and Azure AD joining happen. So now we will remove this device from the Azure AD join. I don't want this device to be Azure AD join, so I'm just clicking the disconnect. It's asking me to confirm. I'm confirming that. Click disconnect. Now it is asking me to enter the local account, which should be having the administrator permission. Okay, so for this just you have to be very careful while entering the local account. If you are giving just the name, it may don't take that. So you have to specifically mention the host name, then the slash and user account name, then followed by the password. Okay, what is okay, it's not happened. Maybe we should use this one, not sure, we'll check which slash we should use. Before that, let me just copy this, try to okay, then this should be the correct one. Maybe my password I entered wrong. Let's try that out. What's wrong with this? This should be that. Another option also we can try. What's wrong with it? Okay, so maybe the username I'm entering wrong. Let's try that out. Yeah, maybe I entered the username wrong. Let's try that out. I think now it's accepted. Oh, let's wait for this to complete. So once it got completed, it will be removed automatically from this page. It's asking me to restart my PC. I'm not gonna restart now. So selecting this again the page. Now you cannot see this suitcase box icon because now the device is not no more Azure AD join. You can see here this entry. If I refresh, it will vanish. See, now it is gone. Okay, so it will take some time to update properly. So now you can see it's got updated properly. Zero device found. So this is how we have to check Azure AD registered and Azure AD joined device from console in our admin console as well as from the command prompt or from the GUI. So hope this video is helping you. So keep watching our channel. If you think this video is useful, please share it to your friends and ask them to subscribe our channel. Whosoever are willing to learn M365, they may subscribe our channel. We are posting the videos all across this Microsoft 365 platform. As this initiative, as I told in many videos, we started with Azure AD. So we are covering the topics one by one on this left side blade. So till now we have covered devices. So if you have any, if you missed any of the video, go ahead and watch those videos in our channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Have a great day, guys.